Hello friends, doctors and all healthcare professionals. Welcome to our channel NiftyHMS. So today we are going, if you are a NiftyHMS users, today we are going to see as a doctor how you can print your QR code. If you have signed up and if you have taken a plan which includes WhatsApp appointment booking system, this QR code is for you. So you can print this QR code from within the system, stick it on your glass door or your desk or on your table, put up a flap just like you do with PTM. You can do same thing with NiftyHMS. So let's see how it works and how you can print the QR code for your clinic. So once you log in as a doctor or support staff, you can go to users, click on doctors, and then click on your name. This is where your landing page comes up, and you will see on the right side the WhatsApp QR code. It has the link as well as the print button at the bottom. You can click on the print QR code button. It will open up the printing page. So you can print this QR code on your printer, and then you can stick it on your desk or on the glass panel. There is also a link that you can use to post on your social media channels, which will be useful for patients to book an appointment. Using this QR code, patient can just scan it, the QR code, and the WhatsApp port automatically gets started. This feature is only available for premium plans that we have, and you need to have a separate WhatsApp onboarding system for that. Thanks for watching our video, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.